Paddy fields stretch with yellow paddies. Various kinds of vegetables which are ready to harvest. Parents and children are merry. These are parts of a picture of a prosperous village. The picture of such a village is a hope of a community in general. In the face of regional autonomy, the village development, from, by, and for the community, plays a very important role for the progress of the region. Of course, it needs direct participation of the community. Community needs social preparation to be aware of the importance of cooperation to build their own village, like what has been done by the community of Lasang and Bontokasi villages, the Takalar district, South Sulawesi. With the assistance of PMD-JICA Project, 3 farmers of each 4 villages of Takalar district participated in a comparative study in Malang, East Java in January 2000. The criteria to be met as follows: age below 40 years, full-time farmers without other occupation and not the head of the group. Through observation against their attitude and daily activities and interview, a number of farmers were selected. They have strong desire to convey the result of the study to the village community. In Malang, East Java, the participants have studied knowledge on farming, the techniques adopted by farmers in Java, and their experience during their stay in the villagers' houses. The most impressive experience they have is how the Javanese farmers in group make use of the resources and manage them, although they have very small cultivated land. In addition, they always observe market to get and implement new ideas on their own effort. Then what kind of change happens to the farmers attending training in Malang? After attending the training, Deng Gale of Bontokasi village puts into practice his knowledge on organic fertilizer production which he has just learned. Using the fertilizer, he is successful to plant various kinds of vegetables that have never been grown in his village before.
Sesudah membuat pupuk bokasi, Pak, saya praktekkan dan menanam sayuran 13 macam, Pak. Itulah yang saya kembangkan sebagai percontohan di kelompok saya. Dan itulah yang saya tanam, itulah yang tiru kelompok saya, anggota saya, Pak. Artinya perkembangan bokasi itu sangat bagus. Kemudian saya coba, Pak, tanam semangka. 3 bungkus itu semangka lebih, 1.600 pohon. Untuk menggunakan pupuk bokasi, biaya biasa yang saya biayakan itu pergunakan 600.000 sebelum saya tahu itu membuat pupuk bokasi. Tetapi saya membuat pupuk bokasi, saya tahu sudah 186.000 anunya, Pak, modalnya bisa panen itu semangka.
This success gives hope to the farmers who plant only paddy during this time and complain. Although we are lost, we just plant paddy. And this success which causes Dengale to get selected as the new leader of Makana Dato to step forward. Since then, this group has been frequently holding a meeting and starting their new activity with one common goal: the promotion of new vegetables planting by group. To realize the goal, they utilize outside resources and do the activity together, like getting loan from BPR, Bank for Community Loan, or building Farmers Hall. The uncultivated fields are now filled with vegetables that become the common goal of Makana Dato Group. Next, let's take a look at the trip of Dang Rahim Rewa of Lasang village attending his training. Since his arrival from the training, Dang Rahim Rewa has been interested in the advantage of Bokasi fertilizer in Malang. After a number of discussions with fellow farmers, they have come to an idea of establishing a small home industry of organic fertilizer. The idea originates from their awareness to make their soil good for plants, competing with chemical fertilizer at going up price. Utilizing the cow dung, which during this time has been not more than ordinary dirt, they form a group named Minasa Maju to produce organic fertilizer more efficiently and start building a collective cowshed to be in use by the group. Now his group have purchased a padding milling machine, with making a loan from the district-based institution, and they are able to prepare bran and husk needed for organic fertilizer production. They walk in steady step toward a place of small-scale organic fertilizer production on their own feet.
Dan anak-anak saya tahun-tahun yang akan datang mudah-mudahan dia juga bisa bersekolah di sekolah lanjutan. Seperti menjadi insinyur lah. Saya tidak mengharapkan saya punya anak seperti saya ini. Saya cuma punya harapan sama anak saya itu bisa lebih pintar daripada saya. Sama juga masyarakat itu, Pak. Saya juga mengharapkan kepada masyarakat, mudah-mudahan masyarakat di sini di waktu-waktu mendatang hidupnya lebih maju, lebih bagus.
The participants of the training practice their farming knowledge and techniques obtained from the trip in Malang for their fields so that they bear fruit. Above all, they have discussed what they can do in a group so as to get the same idea and practice it in a group to accomplish the group's common goal. Right there, we can see typical farmers with pride and self-confidence as a farmers group. They have strengthened the group organization and enhanced their skill on resource management based on their experience and activity. It is the very outcome of the community's understanding to realize their hope of having a prosperous village.